Hello, how are you today? Welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Rhoda and this is the Cookalicious Kitchen, where we make awesome recipes the easiest and amazing way. Well, today I'm going to be showing you another recipe on how I prepare my soup. So this soup, I'm going to be using Oha leaf. This is Oha leaf. This is uziza leaf. So I have two types of fish. I have the dried catfish. I also have the smoked mackerel fish. Then I'm using smoked chicken for this recipe. I have my onion. I have my yam, pounded yam. I have my crayfish. I have my tomato and my pepper. So I have like enough pepper, the quantity I can tolerate, and I have about 3 balls of tomato. So I blended all together with onion, and I have food without Perewinkle. So let's go over and start the cooking process. So in a clean pot, I'm going to add oil. When it's hot, add your onion and fry for 2 minutes or until it's translucent. Okay, so next go the tomato and the pepper blend. So you're going to add your fish. So I'm adding the mackerel. So I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add some seasoning cube. So I'm using chicken seasoning. I'm also adding some crayfish into it, and we're going to let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. So let's check on it. So after 20 minutes, we're going to add our liquid, add more water. So we're going to let it boil before we add our thickener. So you're going to add the liquid depending on the quantity of soup you're making. When the water is boiled, we add our thickener. Boiling, you can see it. So now we're going to be adding the yams. We're going to put in batches so it's easy to melt. Please, if you are watching this video up to this extent, what are you waiting for? Just please subscribe now. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Help your girl. Okay, you're enjoying the video, that's why you're still watching. Please subscribe. Now we're going to leave this for it to dissolve, and it should thicken the soup immediately it dissolves. So that should take another 5 to 8 minutes. So we're going to cover and let it dissolve. So it's dissolved now. We're going to be adding the chickens into it. Going to be adding the fish, and I'm going to stir. I'm also going to let it boil for another 5 minutes. I'm going to add the Perewinkle at the same time because the soup is almost ready. I'm going to let it cook for another 10 minutes to make sure everything is well combined before we add the veggies. Okay, so right now we're going to add seasoning. I'm using Benny. I'm going to give it a stir. I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt. At this time, if the soup is too thick, please you loosen it up by adding a little bit of water. So you taste, make sure your seasonings are well incorporated. Adding the uziza leaf. I'm going to leave it for a few seconds, then I add the Oha leaf. So I'm adding the oha now. You watching me, I hope you have subscribed to this channel. I hope you have done that. Okay, so you can see the soup is a little bit thick, so I'm going to thin it out by adding a little bit of liquid. And I'm going to let it boil for 2 minutes and the soup is ready. And the soup is ready. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in my next video. Bye.